Hi, I'm Matt Watson from MTS Plant. Today we're looking around our best-selling machine, which is the Yanmar SV18. This comes in at 1975 kg weight-wise on the cab version, or 1835 on the canopy. Conventional tail swing, so it gives you great breakout force at the front end if you're pulling or digging or breaking out, concrete slabs, etc. This is our #1 selling machine. Right, onto the arm of the SV18. As you can see, it's a well-made box section arm, giving you great peace of mind when you're digging, pulling, trenching, loading, etc. It has one of the best reaches in its class, a digging depth of 2580 millimeters and a dump height of 2740. Cylinder guards as standard on all three cylinders, just gives you shiny part that protection should you be on a site where they might be exposed a little, and this is hardened steel which slides in and out of each protecting ram. Again, just a cost saving thing, you're not scoring the shiny parts and they're well protected. An LED work light is mounted underneath the arm, which gives you great vision down your trench should you be working when the lights are fading. You can have an optional extra of LED work lights just mounted to the top of the cab, again giving you additional work should you be working at night. Wherever you've got an exposed hose on this machine, you've got the metal protector, and we have a male and female coupler mounted to the right hand side of the arm. Again, they're mounted direct where they just itch into your hydraulic breaker. Again, a lot of other manufacturers have them here, and you've got a big flexi hose bouncing around, again easily getting snagged and costing you should you rip that off. We tend to sell this machine with a spring-loaded quick hitch, so you just pull a safety pin straight out and then you bar it down. Seconds that comes out, change your bucket across and pop that back in again. Now onto the cab of the machine. So as you can see, it has one of the largest cabs in its class, plenty of room on the floor, at height and to the sides. It has the largest display to your right hand side, so that's in your working line. It's a 3.3 inch LCD display. This shows you your fuel, your temperature, your hours, date, time, and you can set it etc for different operators. We've got a dozer blade here which is up and down with a hidden twin speed. You can also alter the armrests for comfort of operating. The seat is also air suspension, so it's comfortable as you're working on uneven ground. We also have up and over front windshield, so for getting down the trench and better vision. Onto the engine of the SV18. This is a 3T NV70 diesel. It has a 13.5 horsepower or a 9.9 kilowatt output. This engine is used by a lot of other manufacturers due to its performance and reliability. Yanmar engines are world renowned and used in and around 60% of other excavators worldwide. Right, onto the body and undercarriage of the machine. Standard width is 980, expands to 1320 once you operate the machine and bring them out. Also, you pull a pin and swing the blade extension round, also bringing it to 1320 should you be ploughing, dozing, levelling off. The body of the machine comes with 3 mirrors as standard, left, right and rear. Another nice touch on the SV18 is the fuel is locked away, same as your ignition key, ease of access for refueling the machine, but also security on a night, locking your fuel away.